A financial analyst had a task that normally took 50 minutes. They used an AI chatbot. The same job finished in 10 minutes. So here's the real question. If AI saves so much time, why does work still feel messy and unfinished? This is the promise of generative AI at work. Tools that don't just automate tasks, but change how knowledge work gets done. Summarizing long reports, writing presentations, and analyzing data in seconds. Tasks that once slowed teams down. Many workers say AI saves them 40 to 60 minutes every day. Time that once disappeared into routine tasks, now returned, at least in theory, to the worker. That sounds like a productivity revolution. But for most companies, the real value is still hard to see. Saving time on a task does not automatically mean better results across an entire organization. Businesses care about accuracy, quality, decisions, and outcomes, not just speed. AI can finish a task faster, but someone still has to review the output and check whether it is correct, fix mistakes, approve the work, and take responsibility for the outcome. Once you add that time back in, the real productivity gain becomes less obvious. So far, AI has one clear success story at work. Coding? AI coding assistants are being used at massive scale, especially for well-structured problems. This tells us something important about where AI works best. AI performs well when tasks are structured and results are easy to test and verify. But real-world results are often more complicated, especially inside large companies, where AI is expected to replace routine work at scale. Take Salesforce, one of the world's largest enterprise software companies. After automating large parts of customer support using AI agents, the company cut around 4,000 jobs. But what happened next is more revealing. Salesforce executives later admitted they were more confident about large language models a year ago than they are today. Not because AI stopped working, but because real business workflows demand reliability, consistency, and human judgment. This leads to another problem most people miss. When work becomes easier to produce, people often create more of it. More emails, more reports, more slides. Not because they are needed, but because they are now cheap and fast to produce. This creates what some experts call workslop. Busy work that looks productive, but adds little real value. And here is the most surprising part. In one real study, experienced developers using AI actually took longer to finish tasks, about 19% longer. Not because AI is useless, but because real work depends on context, experience, and judgment. AI is not a magic productivity button. Real gains come when companies redesign workflows and measure the right outcomes. The next AI race is not about smarter models. It is about turning saved time into real value. Where does AI help you, and where does it only make you busier? Share your experience in the comments.